Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.
Hello guys, you must have seen people posting multiple images on one Instagram story, and if you have an Android phone, you must have wondered how to do this. You might have seen people with iPhones do it easily, but when you open Instagram on an Android phone, it seems impossible. Today we will see how to post multiple images on one Instagram story. Follow up. Open your Instagram. Open the stories like you want to take this picture. So go to your gallery, select the picture which you want to insert in that. Now take a screenshot, like I want to add this image on that. That image which you have screenshotted will now be added in your clipboard. So how to bring this clipboard option up? Click once, then long press. The clipboard option will appear on your Android phone. Now on the clipboard, it will show all the screenshots and the copied links. Like this is the copied link. Select this and the screenshot will appear on your Instagram story. That's quite easy, isn't it? You can do it multiple times also. As many times you want. One image upon the other. Large. Rotated. Just as you wish. Okay people, that was how to do this on an Android phone. Hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon for regular updates.